Hi guys, it's Jaden from Saskatoon Truck Center. This is stock number 5153P. It's a 2016 Ford Transit T150 cargo van with only 67,000 K. Nice, clean, low miler. Again, we got lots of these in. There's definitely a reason why, is because they're all very, very well outfitted, very well maintained, and look fantastic. This one's got some slat wall there, individual little bin storage for any sort of components or small parts you need to bring in and out of your job. There's also shelving on both drivers and passenger sides, some hook storage there, and again, plenty of room still to get stuff in and out of the sliding door. Mounted up top, we got a weather guard ladder rack that you can put 2 extension ladders on as well as a step ladder, which is pretty sweet. There's not very many ladder racks that are capable of housing 3 different ladders. On the back, we've got a backup cam, a hitch, as well as park sensors. In the back, again, we've got shelving on both drivers and passenger side. And this one is your 130 wheelbase. You've got 9 feet from the bulkhead to the back doors. There's also a rear heater mounted in here. A nice big feature is this solid floor that they've got mounted in here. It's a lot easier to get parts in and out of here, you know, your furnaces or water heaters, whatever else. And it's also not hard on the knees to walk on versus walking on the ribbed floor. So again, these things are completely outfitted, absolutely ready to go to work. Power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, air tilt and cruise. Then there's also a laptop tray mounted there as well. If you're doing any sort of utilities work, it's nice to have a laptop with you. Anywhere from plumbing and heating, electrical contracting, you know, wireless installs, anything of the sort, having a nice, clean, low-mile van that's well outfitted like this would definitely make your life a lot easier. Again, stock number 5153, a 2016 Ford Transit cargo van.